Get acquainted with the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. The Chrysler Pacifica, the super safe minivan with a light, agile feel and loads of passenger-friendly amenities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, cooled front seat, heated mirrors. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.